Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Learn Academy. Today I will discuss with you AIML 2022-23 question paper map for MacOut students. Group B, question number 2. Express the following as the sum of a symmetric and a skew-symmetric matrix 2, 5, 7, 3, minus 4, 1, 8, 6, 4. Let A is equal to 2, 5, 7, 3, minus 4, 1, 8, 6, 4. Know that a matrix can be written as a sum of a symmetric and skew-symmetric, where symmetric matrix is half A plus AT A transpose plus half A minus AT, where half A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and half A minus AT is skew-symmetric matrix. Again we rewrite it, half A plus AT, let it is P, and half A minus A transpose is Q. So P is equal to half A plus A transpose. At first we check it is really symmetric matrix or not. We know the value of a matrix is 2, 5, 7, 3, 2, 5, 7, 3 minus 4, 1 and 8, 6, 4. So we calculate the value of A transpose. Transpose mean first row will be first column, second row will be second column, and third row will be third column. So we write it, first row, that means 2, 3, 8 will be first column, 2, 3, 8. Similarly, second row will be second column, 5 minus 4, 6, 5 minus 4, 6, and third row, that means 7, 1, 4 will be third column. Now we put the value of A and A transpose. 2, 5, 7, 3 minus 4, 1, 8, 6, 4 plus A transpose, that means 2, 3, 8, 5 minus 4, 6, 7, 1, 4. A half 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 5 plus 3, 8, minus 4 plus minus 4, that means minus 8, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 6 plus 1, 7, 4 plus 4, 8. Then we multiply it by half, we get 4 by 2, that means 2, 8 by 2, 4, 15 by 2, by 2, 8 by 2, that means 4, minus 8 by 2, that means minus 4, 7 by 2, 15 by 2, 7 by 2, 8 by 2. Then we find the value of P transpose. That means first row 2, 4, 15 by 2 will be first column. 2, 4, 15 by 2. Second row will be second column, 4 minus 4, 7 by 2. Third row will be third column, 15 by 2, 7 by 2, 8 by 2. Then again we can write it P. The value of P is equal to this and P transpose will be same. So we rewrite it P. When P is equal to P transpose, that means it is symmetric matrix. Then our assumption is true. Then we suppose that it is symmetric matrix. We prove that it is symmetric matrix. We check Q is a skew-symmetric matrix. Half A minus AT A transpose from the previous page. Half the value of A is 2573 minus 4 1864 minus 8 transpose 2385 minus 46714 half 2 minus 2 0 3 minus 5 minus 2 8 minus 7 1 5 minus 3 2 minus 4 minus minus plus, that means 0. 6 minus 1 5 7 minus 8 minus 1 1 minus 6 minus 5 4 minus 4 0. Then multiply by half. 0 minus 2 by 2 minus 1 1 by 2 2 by 2 1 0 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 0. Now we find the value of Q transpose. Q transpose is 0. This is Q. Q transpose means row will be column. 0 minus 1 half 0 minus 1 half 1 0 5 by 2 minus half minus 5 by 2 0. We see that now we take common minus 0 minus 1 half, as minus 1, that means 1 0 plus 5 by 2 minus half minus 5 by 2 0 minus, at the replacement we write it minus Q. We check the value of Q is 0 minus 1 half 0 minus 1 half 1 0 5 by 2 minus half minus 5 by 2 0. So Q transpose is equal to minus Q. That means it is skew-symmetric matrix. It is skew-symmetric matrix. The symmetric matrix and Q is a skew-symmetric matrix, then representing A as the sum of P and Q, P plus Q. P value is 2 4, 15 by 2, 4 minus 4, 7 by 2, 15 by 2, 7 by 2 and 4 plus Q value is 0, 1 minus half minus 1, 0 minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 0. Then 2 plus 0, 2, 4 minus 1, that means 3, 15 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means 16 by 2, that means 8, 4 plus 1, 5 minus 4, 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2, that means 12 by 2 means 6, 15 by 2 minus half, that means 7, 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2, that means 1, 4 plus 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, 5 minus 4, 6, 7, 1, 4, that is equal to A. We check the value of A. 2, 3, 8, 5 minus 4, 6, 7, 1, 4. We expressed as the sum of a symmetric, as this is the part of symmetric and this is the part of skew-symmetric matrix. Thanks for watching this video and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.